Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today is Friday, so on the turntable we have this Majorette Golf LS Mach 1 for restoration. So let's see what we have here after the turntable. So this is another Majorette, and this is a Volkswagen Golf Mach 1, I believe. Yeah, pretty nice little model. I think I can do something nice with this one. I will restore this. I don't know about the color yet. Might be red. And definitely I need to work on the windscreen. The lamps are in, so that's good. We got the Volkswagen logo on the front, so I will detail that. It's pretty small though. So yeah, I will start this one, and this is gonna be a homage to myself, really, because Paul done a Majorette for me. So thank you, Paul, and I will do this one as a body build. I don't know if Martin will join as well, but I will definitely do this golf. So I will take this apart and I will show you the inside bits. This should be quite simple. I will pop this open here, and we have a hook at the back, so that should come off pretty easy. And as you can see, this is the usual Majorette suspension, which is pretty easy to work on. And here we have the interior, which is again pretty simple. I think the dashboard is on the front, so that's the chassis. I think that will stay in position. I won't take that out, so I need to try to hold it like this. Yeah, that's why I don't like these moving parts, because they're really difficult to paint. But that will stay in. I won't take that out. This is the windscreen, and the front and the dashboard is with the lights on the front. If you remember, my Renault had the same headlights as well. I need to work on this windscreen. It's pretty rough, but can be nice. It can come up nice. So these are all the parts. I will paint strip this and clean all the plastic parts, and I think I will polish this up. That I won't paint. So yeah, it's a little bit funny. I think it's a bit bent. I will check. I will test fit before I put it back together. That might be a bit bent. It's assembly time, so let's quickly recap what we've done. I refurbished the tires and put them back on the base. There is a little damage there, but I wanted to leave the original wheels as I like these old Majorette wheels. Windscreen has been refurbished. It's alright, not too bad. Wasn't too bad anyway. That's the interior. I painted it black instead of red. And that's the front with the Volkswagen logo. Yeah. And this is the chassis itself. I think this era had plastic door handles, but what I like the most is the details at the back. Golf LS, and we also have the lights done and the registration plate, so I like that. So I will put this together now. What I've done is I've done a test fit-in. So I've done the windscreen and the front grille together. That will slide in there like that, and then this comes into place, which is very easy. And then we need to hook the interior here, and then it just sits in there. And same with the interior. I will put a little bit glue on the base. I will not put a screw, and this should just click on. And I will put this on the turntable. This is the Majorette Golf before restoration. Not too bad really, quite intact, the model, but needed a new paint and tidy up everything on the car. And this is the Golf LS by Majorette after restoration. Tires are refurbished, details are done, got fresh new paint, and also the windscreen is tidy up. And I put some details on it as well as the front logo and the indicators and the tail lights at the back with the Golf LS logo as well. So after the turntable, let's again look at this car in our hands. So this is our Majorette Volkswagen Golf Mach 1 done. The base is not the best on this one, I have to say, but it's okay. I like, yeah, the glue hasn't settled yet, so I will need to wait with this, but I just wanted to finish the video. So this is our Volkswagen Golf done. I think it looks good. It's a simple model really, nothing fancy on this one, but it's got some details at the back. I like this color. This is signal red, so good roller. So thank you guys watching thank you for watching this episode. And this was actually a tribute to myself, because PJ at Midlife Models on YouTube, he done a Majorette Ford Capri, and he said it's a tribute to Laz because he likes Majorettes, which is true. So this is my tribute to myself, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I believe that Martin at Martin Dares Dinky Restorations will do a Majorette as well. We chipped in, all three of us, for a tribute build. So anyway, thank you for watching this week's video, guys. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. Enjoy yourself. The weather is getting better. So come back next week. I will probably have another video. And see you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.